Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest tips, tricks, and hacks for the digital world. Today, I have an exciting topic that will make your computer usage more efficient. We're going to unveil a treasure trove of shortcut keys for your computer. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves to explore the digital realm, these shortcut keys will revolutionize the way you interact with your computer. So, grab a notepad and get ready to take some notes, because we're about to dive into the world of computer shortcuts. First up, let's talk about the basics. These shortcuts will help you navigate through various applications and windows on your computer with ease. To start off, pressing Ctrl+C will copy selected text or files, while Ctrl+V will paste them. And if you ever need to undo an action, simply press Ctrl+Z. It's like a magic undo button. In a text editor or word processor, Ctrl+B will bold your selected text, while Ctrl+I will italicize it. Want to underline? Just press Ctrl+U. These simple shortcuts can save you loads of time when formatting your documents. Now, let's explore shortcuts specifically designed for web browsing. If you want to open a new tab, hit Ctrl+T, and if you accidentally close a tab, don't panic. Just press Ctrl+Shift+T to magically reopen it. For all the spreadsheet lovers out there, Ctrl+S is your best friend. It allows you to save your work instantly, ensuring you never lose important data. And to quickly insert the current date, use Ctrl+. Are you a video editing enthusiast? Well, we have shortcuts for you too. Pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V allows you to copy and paste clips in your timeline. And if you want to play or pause your project, simply hit the spacebar. These are just a few examples of the countless shortcuts available for your computer. They may seem small, but once you incorporate them into your workflow, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. If you want to learn more about these shortcuts and discover additional ones for specific applications, head over to our website. We have a comprehensive guide waiting for you. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. We're here to empower you with the knowledge you need to thrive in the digital age. Thank you all for joining me today. Remember to practice these shortcuts and make them a part of your daily computer routine. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.